this. Scientists have found we consume enough microplastics to make up 1 credit card's worth of plastic every week. We breathe it in the air, we consume it in our food, and we drink it in our water. It's everywhere. Today I'm going to be discussing what exactly are microplastics, why are they so bad for us, and how we can mitigate them. So what are microplastics? They are itty bitty teeny tiny nanoparticles that we can barely perceive with the naked eye, broken down from plastics. And they are found virtually everywhere in every single organ in our bodies, unfortunately. In our heart, in our stomach, in our lungs. It's been found 10 to 20 times more microplastics in our brain than any other organ in our body. This is bad news because we need it for every single system in our body, right? So why are microplastics so bad? Not only is it a foreign particle in our body that shouldn't be there, but it's the chemicals that make up the plastics. BPA, you've heard of that, phthalates, and PFAS, the forever chemicals that wreak havoc on our bodies. They're endocrine disruptors, which impact our hormones, and it causes chronic inflammation. And chronic inflammation leads to diseases like cancers, like brain diseases, dementia, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, heart diseases, infertility. It wreaks a lot of havoc, damage to our bodies and lifestyle. So what can we do? It is so daunting. Well, let's start in our kitchen. Easy swaps that aren't going to be very expensive. So plastic containers, swap them out with glass containers or ceramic or even stainless steel. And please do not microwave foods in your plastic containers. Okay, that wreaks havoc because it leaches out even more plastics into your food. Non-stick cookware, swap it out with ceramic. The dark non-stick, that has the forever chemicals that really never leave your body. So swap it out with ceramic, stainless steel, or cast iron. Cutting board, the plastic ones, get rid of it right away. It's really inexpensive to replace it with a wooden one or even bamboo. Water we drink, if you have filters, that's going to be better than any tap water. But the gold standard is going to be reverse osmosis. And avoid drinking water out of those plastic water bottles. The foods we eat, the habits we have. Let's first talk about habits. Movement, sweat it out, exercise. That's going to be good for you overall anyway, but has the added benefits of carrying out the toxins through your sweat. So do hot yoga, exercise enough to sweat. If you're lucky enough to have access to a sauna, do that. And also take baths. And even clothing. Switch out the synthetic fibers with natural ones like cotton, wool, silk. Sometimes it's unavoidable, right? I teach hot yoga in 105 degrees. I am not about to wear wool or cotton in that. So it's what you can do, all right? And then the air we breathe, make sure you open up the window. Did you know that the air quality inside can be 4 to 5 times worse than the air quality outside? So air it out. Vacuum often and have really good quality HEPA filters for your HVAC system and switch it out often. If you can, have an air purifier, even better. So eat fiber-rich foods like legumes, beans, and lentils, and leafy green vegetables, as well as fruits that really help flush the microplastic particles out of your system. Now for the bonus content. I'm really excited about this because scientists have found bacteria in kimchi actually binds onto plastic particles and help eliminate it out of your body. This is really exciting news. They've done this study, full disclosure, on mice with 87% efficacy. So human trials are next, but I'm not going to wait. I'm eating it. You probably already have some in your refrigerator. If you haven't tried it, try it. It's so good for your gut bacteria as well. Good for microbiome, good gut, good health, good skin. Netflix has a documentary out called Plastic Detox. That was really eye-opening for me because it really showed that we really do have agency. It's not so daunting. It is everywhere. We can't live in a bubble, but there are choices that we can make to help to lessen the impact of the microplastics in our body. Who's going to watch this weekend? Comment below. What are your easy swaps that you're going to make? My first one was my cutting board. I'll see you in the comments. And if you like this content, share and subscribe. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.